15th of October, and here's my friend, Mr. Tony, showing me the Moyog River at Kampung Hubah. Yes, it's between Kampung Hubah, the hub side. On my left is Hubah, the hub side. And this area is Hubah, famous for their mansions. Okay, and I'm going to zoom at this river on the Borneo construction, and at the moment it is clear. There's no obstruction in the river except for a temporary bridge. And I want to ensure that Azam Jaya, if you're listening, Mr. Boss Azam Jaya, ensure this river is clear of obstruction. If you need to construct a ram, an earth ram, to fix that bulkhead bridge of yours, make sure you provide alternate channel for the flood water to pass by. Otherwise, I think you're facing a second, third, fourth lawsuit. And here's a temporary bridge. Ensure that that is free from any rubbish clogging during the flood. Another flood is coming soon. Okay, so keep our rivers clear of any blockage in order to avoid high level flood waters. No more excuses. Now let me zoom all the rest of the Borneo project, the most unwanted Borneo project. This is the ramp in order to cross the river Moyog at Kampung Hubah, both sides of Kampung Hubah Penampang. Yeah. Let's zoom at the machineries. They are doing a typical ball pile for bridge construction. Same design for Dambai Bridge, Monsopia Bridge, and the standard bridge design for all the river crossing. One main center span and two side span. And they have to bore in the middle of the river. And while they are boring in the middle of the river, you have to ensure there is no flow obstruction. Okay, capish? Paham?